Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Is your goal to serve the nation? Are you planning to appear for UPSC or any government exam? You must be working hard, but it requires right guidance and proper plan of action to succeed in the exam. Panacea Institute, being a pioneer in leading aspirants to success year after year, provides the right direction to your hard work. Government jobs are basically of two types. The first are the VIP jobs under UPSC and PPSC, which requires aptitude and journal studies. And the second are the livelihood security jobs such as in banks, insurance, SSC jobs, etc., which requires only aptitude. Panacea prepares you for all the exams in separate batches. As it is said, shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you will land among the stars. Similarly, Panacea motivates you to aim for the VIP exam so that even if you miss it, you get hold of many other government exams as byproduct. So please visit and get guided to your dream career as per your aptitude and interest. You may also avail a demo class to experience the excellent quality of the institute. Thank you.